Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making catfish pepper soup. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have some catfish, salt, grounded crayfish, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, water, chopped habanero pepper, 2 Maggi cubes, pepper soup spices and chopped onion. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I normally wash my catfish with salt and hot water. Now we put half tablespoon of salt inside the catfish. Then pour the hot water all over the catfish. The hot water does 2 things. It firms up the pieces of the fish so they do not disintegrate in the pot when cooking it. And it is the fastest way to remove the slimy substance from the fish. Then stir it around with my wooden spatula. After that, I will pour the hot water out of it. Then rinse it with cold water and transfer it into a pot. After that, I will pour 4 cups of water inside the pot. Then add 2 tablespoons of pepper soup spices, 1 tablespoon of grounded crayfish. I will add the diced onion. Then add the diced habanero pepper. I will add 1 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir it round. I will add 2 Maggi cubes. Then stir it round. Then cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes on a high heat. It's up to 15 minutes now. I will stir it round for the last time. So guys, this is the end result of how I cooked my catfish pepper soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.